Now, News 13 Skywarn weather.
Well, it turns out showers and thunderstorms, a bit of a no-show around the Four Corners today, and I think that'll be the case for the next couple of afternoons as well. We're still seeing a little bit of activity just out of the south and east of here, but for the most part, we've really dried things out, and what that means for us is, well, starry skies are going to dominate during the overnight hours. 47 degrees overnight tonight around here. Then for tomorrow, how about a warm one? We've got one planned for you. Afternoon high. This is Durango, mind you, 93 degrees. That's what happens when you get this dry air in place. It cools off quickly at night. But when that sunshine beats down on you in the afternoon, the temperature, well, it goes way up. Same story down on the Northwest Plateau, 58 degrees tonight. Under mostly clear skies. In for tomorrow, going to go 97. Yes, we will be looking at sunshine. And without a doubt, it's going to be hot out there. Here's the way things are shaping up. We're pretty warm right now. There is a cool front that's kind of diving south just off to the east of us. Maybe some milder air behind that front, but really the cool down is going to be short-lived for all areas that do see some cooling today because of that big ridge of high pressure. Drives highs back into the low and mid-90s around here, maybe even some upper 90s in there. Speaking of which, it's kind of where we are right now. It's 93 in Farmington and 90 in Cortez, not too far behind. Thermometer in Durango showing 88 degrees. Now, we are starting to watch the monsoon slowly start to take shape out to the west of us. You can see parts of the Sierra Nevada, starting to see a few clouds kind of building up here out into California. Not a whole lot going on in Arizona just yet, and what we're looking at down in New Mexico is really just some remnant moisture and that frontal boundary in the area. But I talked about the monsoon. It's still going to be a few days before it can really have an impact on this area around here. Let me show you why. First things first, we do have that little front that's in the area today, kind of working down the east side of that ridge of high pressure, and really there's a battle going on. Moist air behind the front, but dry air doing its level best to work in from the west, and we're already in on that right now, dealing with some of that dry air. So all the scattered storms are kind of staying south and east of us this time around, and then this big ridge builds in. This will be the case tomorrow, Monday, and probably Tuesday as well. So what that means is that we are going to limit the chances for thunderstorms and kind of block out the oncoming monsoon, at least for now. So as we go into the early parts of the week, we have high pressure over New Mexico, low pressure out over California. But as everything makes a little bit of a journey off towards the east, and a couple of computer models are kind of indicating this could be the case, we could see that monsoon returning a little later on in the week to come. Here's your big picture showing what's going on. You can see a little monsoon influence way out here towards the west coast. Otherwise, well, not much going on here at home, and that's the way we're going to keep it for the next, 24, 36, 48, maybe even 72 hours out there. 72, well, that's not even close to our forecast numbers. We're shooting up into the 90s. We'll be there a few days. Now, once the monsoon moisture starts to sneak in mid to late week, we'll see a slightly better chance of getting some spotty storms in the afternoon. Between now and then, we are set to sizzle with summer temps.